Sabrina is here.
That's right, Nick. I hope you haven't boxed away your summer clothes because I think they'll come in handy this weekend. Yes, some warmer weather on the way. Saturday is likely to be the warmest day, and even into the early part of next week, still quite pleasant out there. The average maximum temperature in Wales tends to be around 13 degrees in October, so bear that in mind when you watch the forecast. So the headlines then, we do have a bit more rain coming up in the forecast over the next 24 hours. This weekend, yes, it will turn warmer, not a heat wave because it's simply not going to be hot enough. And I wouldn't classify it as an Indian summer either because we haven't had our first widespread frost yet. Also, some Saharan dust heading our way, so you may end up seeing some deposits on your cars. But also, this can allow for some really vivid sunrises and sunsets because of the way in which the dust scatters the light. And looking at the forecast then for this weekend, 23 Celsius possible in a few locations. And actually, this is quite rare. The last time we saw this was 2018, so it's not really something we tend to see every year. So looking at the forecast then through this evening, I think the rain becoming pretty widespread. Some pulses will be on the heavy side. This band of rain will tend to shift its way northwards through the early hours. Rather a lot of cloud around too, some mist and fog. Not dropping away too much though in terms of those temperatures, 13 to 16 Celsius for those lows, and we keep quite breezy conditions coming in from the southwest. Into tomorrow then, some lingering rain for a time. The main focus of this in parts of the north, still some bits and pieces making their way further south, but into tomorrow afternoon, most of that will peter out to allow for some largely dry conditions. Mist and murk could linger, especially for some western locations, but we should end up seeing some brightness here and there, and temperatures a touch higher than today's values, up to about 20 Celsius. We still keep breezy conditions coming in from the southwest. And here's your weekend forecast then. This is the air mass chart, the orange shade showing the warmer air that's being brought up from Iberia, and that's going to be reflected in those temperatures. And say the one fly in the ointment for Saturday will be where we do have some mist and fog, especially for parts of Pembrokeshire, the Llŷn Peninsula and Anglesey. This could linger for a time, but otherwise a lot of dry, sunny weather in store and feeling warm in the afternoon sunshine. That's your forecast, Nick.
Look at all that sunshine. Sabrina, thank you very much indeed.